Morning guys, in front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So at first tap on power button along with volume down button and hold both of them together, then slide to power off. Once it's off, tap on power button again, also with volume down button. And once you see the logo, you can remove your fingers and wait till your phone is activated. And that's it, now you can unlock it and use it smoothly in a normal way. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.